Hello children, this is class 4 mathematics measurement. In term 1 we saw measurement in this topic, measuring of length. Some variation method to find the length. We use foot step, hand scale, measuring scale, tape like somewhere object to find the correct length of all the objects. See, these are some materials to help us to find the correct length of object. And somewhere units, millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So these are some basic unit of the length. Kilometer, commonly used for measuring a long distance. Look at the picture. Let's compare it. Heavy and light. So yes, in this term 2 measurement, we are going to learn about how we'll measure the weight. How will you find out heavy or light? So look at these pictures. So few quantity we just assume and say this is light or heavy. But how will you find out the correct weight of the object? So we use some variation to find the correct weight of all the object. So these are some instruments help us to find the correct weight of all the object. So measuring weight. So balance machines, and these are some objects to help us to find the correct weight of all the object. And measuring stones. This stone help us to find the correct weight also. It starts from 50 gram onwards, 5 kgs, 2 kgs like that. So kilogram and gram, this is a standard unit of the measuring weight. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Gram and kilogram shortly written as a G and kg. See, so gram stones, measuring this stone help us to measuring weight, correct weight. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay, now let us see how to convert kilogram to gram and standard unit of. So now measurement and weight. You know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So here you are going to change a gram into a kilogram. Okay ma? So kilogram to gram. Change into the kilogram to gram. So first thing, 2 kg. 2 kg, you want to convert to gram means, you know that kg means kilogram shortly written as a kg and gram shortly written as a g. So 2 kg. So 2 multiple with 1000. Okay. So you get 2000 gram. Clear? So 2 multiple with 1000. You get 2000 grams. So 2 kg equal to 2000 gram. Or simply we write 3 zeros near the number. Clear? You want to put 3 zeros near the number. For example, 5 kg. You want to change into grams means 5 and write 3 zeros. Very simple. So now we get 5 kilogram equal to 5000 gram. Clear? So let's see one more sum. 25 kilogram. Very simple. Write 3 zeros near the number. So 25 kg, 25 kilogram equal to 25,000 gram. 25,000 gram. Clear? Okay, now let's see additions of a weight. Let's see addition of weight. See, add 4 kilogram 530 grams and 3 kilogram 698 grams. Okay children, so 4 kg 530 grams add with 3 kg 698 grams. So first write the weight in the column form. First write the weight in the column form. Separate unit. First kg and grams. Okay, kilograms and grams like 4 and 530 and 3 kg 698 grams. Now add the weight. Okay, 0 plus 8, you know that 8. 3 plus 9, 12. So 2 remaining 1 is here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, you know that. See here, 1228 grams. You split the weight like this. 1000 plus 228. Okay, so 1000 plus 228. Now, this 1000 gram convert to the kg side. So, you add a 1 here. And here, 228 grams. Now, 1 kg is here. So, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 kg, 8 kilogram, 228 gram. Clear? So first 4 kilogram, 530 add with 3 kilogram, 698 grams. So first add this gram side. So 0 plus 8, 8. 3 plus 9, 12. So 2 remaining 1 is here. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So, you get 1228 grams. We split like this, 1000 plus 228. You know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So, this 1000 gram convert to a kilogram side. And right here 1. 1 plus 5, 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So, 8 kilogram, 228 grams. Okay, now let's see one more sums. See, 6 kilogram, 525 gram add with 2 kilogram, 365 grams. So, first same thing. First add this gram side. 5 plus 3, you know, 8. 2 plus 6. Again 8, 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, so 888 grams, 6 plus 2, 8. So the answer is 8 kilogram, 888 grams. Very simple. So 8 kilogram and 888 grams. So that's all children. I hope you understood the sums. Thank you for listening.